So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to a little update vlog for you. Now, I tried to align the shaft myself, however it didn't go quite according to plan, so I've actually had to phone in for a professional. This means it's going to be more time and more money because I have to fit in with the engineer's schedule, and unfortunately he's a very busy man, so it'll be another week at least before he can even phone me for a date, and that's me been waiting a week already, and that was 2 weeks we were off prior to that. So do your mask, guys. We've been off, the time we get everything fixed, we'll be off a month from earning from the sea. And just to put it in perspective for you guys, right, the South East Coast desperately needs a marine engineer, and I'm not talking about somebody with all the qualifications. I'm talking about somebody that really knows engines inside and out, because we are laid up. That boat over there's laid up, and that boat over there, well, unfortunately, let's hope we didn't have to write a book about that one. Because excuse me, because they're in a really worldly hurt than out, and I really hope that things go their way and they can get fixed soon and get back to sea. Now, I know I keep harping on about governments and MCAs and everything like that, but this is what these people in government jobs don't understand. Every day you're out there earning is every day you're losing your business, and a month's tie-up is just like a noose around your neck. It really is. I'm lucky because I've only got a little boat. The bigger the boat, the more the expenses. If you've got crew as well, you can forget about it. You really have to have an understanding body throughout to do this job, and I think with all these government ones, especially the now, I've been holding my tongue, but the MC and their ML5s, I'm not going to do it. So I advise any fisherman that's not already got it, don't do it. I'm sick to the back teeth of them. They always come up with all the, oh, we're making fishing safe and all the rest of it. No, you're destroying the fishing, guys. Honestly, MCA, I wouldn't even trust you in the middle of a playground with a tuck shop. For all of those that are international, a tuck shop is basically a sweetie shop. So that's the MCA side of things, and then we've got our Scottish Government. Now these greenies are all about putting HMPAs in, highly protected, HPMAs, I'll do that again. HPMAs, highly protected marine areas, i.e. void of human life, 10% of the inshore waters. Now I read up on this last night, and basically they're keeping the army in their suggested areas, they're keeping wind turbines in the suggested areas, they're keeping electricity and gas in the areas, they're keeping recreation in areas. The only thing that they're wanting out of there is fishing. So if that's no pointing the finger at, I mean, the islanders, they're going to lose heritage like nobody else. Excuse me again. The poor islanders, I mean, they've got families relying on one boat, you know what I mean? I mean, that's what they don't understand. A boat isn't just the crew that's on the boat, it's everybody around about it. The shellfish buyer, the folk that can come and fix the boats, the food processors, you know. I mean, there's a big circle round a boat. It's not just the boat itself and the crew that works the boat, it's everything round about. So yeah, Scottish Government, you'd be better actually doing your job and getting a proper management system in place. If you want, I can give you hundreds of suggestions, but you don't seem to be for taking suggestions for fishermen because we're not academic. We don't know what we are talking about, and that is shit. Anyway, I'm starting to get mad, you can tell. I've no swore too much yet, but anyway. Right, I'm going to be quiet. You've not had a Barry rant for a wee while, and I can still have them. In fact, the more I'm off the boat not working, the more I'm actually getting more and more frustrated, I think. Right, sorry guys, sorry. Thanks for putting up with me. Right, anyway, if you've got any questions about if you've got any comments about the highly protected marine areas, go on the website. In fact, I'll put a link in the description below. You go in there and you can have your piece. You can read all about it, and it is absolute proper government nonsense. It really is. Typical a government with an agenda. And what gets me is, sorry, I'm rambling on again. What gets me is, right, they say it's all to do with the EU have got to have a biodiversity group by 2030 or 2026. We're not in the EU anymore. Get your grips together. Fight for Scotland, fight for your fishing industry, for fuff's sake. Right, no, right, enough. Sorry guys.